Dan, maybe we could just pick up where we finished last conversation. Where's the crypto market right now? Where's Coinbase? Could it still be the Google of cryptocurrency? Looking in the long term, especially on the call yesterday, Brian Armstrong said, listen, we've been through this before. Are they the best equipped to deal with all of this volatility and turbulence?
Hey, Deidre. Great to be on the show again. I think this is sort of a moment of sort of understanding, and I agree with everything Kate said before. This is a moment of understanding that, you know, the gospel of this thing being the Google or the AWS of crypto is not coming to fruition. And I think that was clear this quarter because the volatility in crypto has just, you know, made the first quarter look awful. The second quarter is looking even worse. They might be actually losing $500 million this year. Like, I don't really see a path from here. I know we've been through these winters before, but I don't think we're ready for a crypto ice age. So I think that's the question now. Is it just a crypto winter or a crypto ice age? And I don't think that, you know, crypto ice age is something that they could weather like they weathered the other crypto winters.
Hey, I wonder, Dan, what you make of sort of their hiring trajectory. They've ramped up hiring, as we know, and they're running the business. They're going to try to run it on a break-even basis. But is that the kind of operating method that's in favor at the moment?
You know, it's a great point. I think this is like it feels a little bit like the final scene from like Thelma and Louise, where they're heading, you know, towards the cliff with full gas. You know, they're hiring like I mean, I was listening to the call yesterday. They're hiring as if nothing really happened, right? They're going to be spending $4 billion or something on G&A and marketing, and you know, they barely turned EBITDA profitably this quarter. The language has changed a little bit more to make sure that, you know, like if you compare the two press releases, that $500 million loss, I feel like is more realistic now than it was back in February. So I don't understand, you know, what this hiring is for. I think, in my view, that's a big mistake. They need to maybe kind of step back a little bit and show some profitability. I think that's what the market wants.
Dan, a few days ago, I was talking with Michael Groninger, the founder, CEO of Chainalysis. And what struck me about what he was saying is he's not big on any particular cryptocurrency itself. He's excited about blockchain. My understanding is they just did a raise at around an $8 billion-ish valuation. That, in a way, concerns me, given this environment we've been talking about, where certain crypto bulls have been like, oh, well, if you're not completely behind this train, then you just don't get it. That, when we're getting the signals that we're getting, kind of nerve-wracking. What do you do with Coinbase here? Why are you neutral and not at a sell?
It's a great question. I mean, I mean, we are I would consider us to be one of the biggest bears on the street on this name. I feel like it's hard to be a sell on this one, and I think the reason we're neutral is because up until now, it moved so quickly with the volatility in crypto that it was very hard to basically determine even like the next day, the next month, the next quarter. I think it's becoming clearer now that there's some structural issues here. So I think the reason I know the reason we chose to be neutral on this one, and I still think it's the right rating, is because of that volatility that, you know, you could have like an up day in crypto and the stock works, and then you lose a lot of money if you short it. But I think fundamentally long-term on Coinbase, I think there's just more issues than opportunities, and I'm quite bearish on the medium to long-term prospects on this one.